Today is Sunday, April the 29th. I'm gonna go and pick some Cherimoya from the backyard. Looks like the rats got to some of it. I just picked these off a few minutes ago. I went to get my camera. Okay, so this is the tree. Pick most of the fruits off already, but there are some left. And then this is where most of the fruits are located. Let's see. Ta-da! I have to do this pot thing so that the rats won't get to it. So, well, look at this one. It's huge. Expanded the pot. You see? Scratch the pot. Quite that stretch. So, here it is. Okay. Let's pick them. Pick all of them because I think they're ripe and they're ready. They're ready to pick. See, when you shake it, you can hear the seeds, the hollow seeds inside, which means they're ready. There's one that I ate this morning that fell off the tree and it wasn't really that good. So I have to pick them while it's still firm, so that you can just leave it on the counter to let it soften. You know, it takes about a few days. But yeah, let's see. So we're gonna pick the last batch off from this tree. There's another one. Oh, there's 3 in here. I didn't see it. There's 3 in this pot. So, again, shake it. So you can hear the seeds rattling. Okay. So I put up this net trying to protect it from the rats as well. So let's see. Remove the net. So he wasn't able to get to this one, this guy. This is how I introduced the rat. Otherwise, they would have been long gone. Okay, so they're good size, delicious. My sister's-in-law, her mother-in-law, likes to put it in the fridge after it's softened. She likes to eat it cold. I like it too, but I just don't have time for that. Yeah. Anyway, here's the pot, nursery pot, recycled nursery pot. You just cut it, bottom, you know, put a slant. I leave it, this part, intact because it kind of holds the pot together. So you just put it in you know, through the slanted opening like that. Okay. And then what I do is I also sometimes use these what do you call it? Let's see if there's more. Oh, here's one more. I didn't see that. So I guess this pot kind of helps to protect it from the rain in the winter and the cold. And then probably keeps it warm too. Okay. So remove it. See if I can find it. Oh, there's some more over here. Okay. Yeah. Oh, whoa, this one has a lot. You see that? It's got 4 inside and they're huge. And this is a big pot. I think this is a 5 or 7 gallon pot. 5 or 7 gallon pot. See, you rattle it, shake it and it'll rattle. See? They're huge. Which one inside? Wow, I can't believe it got so big. I didn't even notice that. And the rats couldn't get to it. This one. See how it goes inside the pot through that middle hole. I put the whole branch in there. I guess the freaking rats got to it and then it kind of self-healed itself. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Kind of self-healed itself right there. Wow. Okay, let's see. Let me go back. Yeah. I've had a lot today. Oh, I guess just in time for Mother's Day. My brother's gonna come over and pick it up today. So we'll give some to his wife and then they can bring some over to my mom. Mother's Day. Yay! Save some money right there for Mother's Day's gift. Okay, I think there's 2 more right here. But let me see if I can remove this. Let's see. Fuck. I hate these nets. You know? They just get fucking... look at that. So difficult to work with. All tangled up So anyway, I don't recommend buying these type of nets. I got it for free from someone. So yeah, it's better to use a pot than a freaking net. This net just doesn't work very well. Stick like freaking crazy. Okay. See how this one stretch. Oh my god, look at the pot. That stretch. That stretch. Okay. Oh yeah, so sometimes I use this straps here to strap it onto the branch. Strap the pot onto the branch so that when you when it was small, when the fruits are small, the pot might weigh on top the fruit, and it might pull the fruit off the tree. Okay, there you go. That's my Mother's Day gift for Mom. So there's more on this other tree. I think some of it are ready as well. And we have new flowers. Flowers emerging for next season. Okay, there's a bit more here. More here. So that's the second tree. And then I have a couple more trees on the other side. Anyway, today we're just gonna harvest it from this tree for my brother today. Okay? Bye.